Well, in a sensational statement, the former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi has likened Khalistani sympathizer Amritpal Singh's confinement to jail to an emergency-like situation. While speaking in the Parliament today, the Jalandhar MP said that Amritpal Singh, who is currently behind bars after being booked under NSA charges amongst others, cannot raise the voice of his constituents, the 20 lakh people who voted for him, and therefore this is also an emergency-like situation. Listen in to what he said.
इमरजेंसी ये भी है कि 20 लाख लोगों द्वारा पंजाब में मेंबर पार्लियामेंट चुना गया और वो एनएसए लगाकर अंदर रखा हुआ है। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच उसकी कंस्टिट्यूएंसी के लोगों की बात यहां नहीं रख पा रहे, ये भी इमरजेंसी है।
So this was a statement that he made in the Parliament, saying he should be able to give the voice to the constituents. The BJP has now hit out at the former Punjab Chief Minister for his advocacy of a secessionist and a terror accused. The Saffron Party leader calling out the Congress for its history of backing separatist elements. That's the charge from the BJP.
पूर्व चीफ मिनिस्टर चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी ने आज आतंकवादी खालिस्तानी टेररिस्ट अमृतपाल को ओपनली बैक किया है। सवाल यही है कि जब बात देश सुरक्षा की आती है, कांग्रेस पार्टी हमेशा आतंकवाद, खालिस्तानी टेररिस्ट और आतंकवाद समर्थकों के साथ क्यों खड़ी होती है? कांग्रेस के क्या डीएनए के अंदर आतंकवादियों को सपोर्ट करना है? और कांग्रेस पार्टी वोट बैंक की पॉलिटिक्स तक इस हद तक नीचे चली गई कि वो ये भी भूल गई कि खालिस्तानी टेररिस्ट ने पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री इंदिरा गांधी की जान ली थी। आज कांग्रेस पार्टी ने साबित कर दिया है कि अगर वोट की बात आएगी तो कांग्रेस देश की राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के साथ भी खिलवाड़ कर सकती है। इसीलिए कांग्रेस पार्टी एंटी इंडिया, एंटी पीपल है। कांग्रेस के पूर्व चीफ मिनिस्टर चरणजीत सिंह
Amritpal Singh is the chief of Waris Punjab. He was arrested and has been booked under the stringent National Security Act, and he faces over half a dozen criminal charges: attempt to murder, abduction, as well as extortion. My colleague Amandeep joining us on the phone line with the details. Amandeep, Charanjit Singh Channi, who is a former chief minister of the state, coming out in support of Amritpal Singh, and he says that it's unfair, to remind him and our viewers of the charges against Amritpal Singh, who is a known secessionist.
Sir, absolutely, Pratibha. Very shocking statement that was given in the Parliament on the floor by former Chief Minister and now Member of Parliament Charanjit Singh Channi. He's openly saying that an elected Member of Parliament by 20 lakh people, he was behind the bars under NSA. Is it not the undeclared emergency? And in fact, this statement is straight away raising the questions that either this is the love of the Congress party for the Khalistani sympathizers, or Charanjit Singh Channi personally have some kind of bonding or mutual understanding with Amritpal Singh, just because Congress during the Lok Sabha elections have fielded their own candidate against Amritpal Singh. Kulveer Singh Jida, during his campaign, was openly opposing the ideology of Amritpal Singh in Khadur Sahib. And now, all of a sudden, former Chief Minister showing his love on the floor.
Absolutely, and the BJP calls it the Tukre mindset of the Congress party. Stay with us. We have Manjinder Singh Sirsa also joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Sirsa. How do you look at this statement by Charanjit Singh Channi? Amritpal Singh is somebody who is accused of being a Khalistani sympathizer. He is known to his supporters as Bhindran Wale 2.0, but Charanjit Singh Channi has come out in support of him.
देखिए, चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी और कांग्रेस हमेशा देश को तोड़ने वाले लोगों का साथ देते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई इनकी नई रणनीति है। आप सोचिए कि जितने लोग कश्मीर के तोड़ना चाहते थे कश्मीर को भारत से, उन सबको साथ कांग्रेस दिखाई देती थी। उनको लाके अपने घर पर रखते थे, उनको देश के प्रधानमंत्री मिलते थे, और आज वो सब लोग जेलों में हैं। कांग्रेस का ये हमेशा से देश को बांटने का जो है उनका रहता है कि देश को इंस्टेबल कैसे किया जाए। अगर इंस्टेबिलिटी होगी तभी कांग्रेस को लगता है कि सरकारें गिरेंगी, तभी हमारी बात बन सकती है। तो चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी ने जो स्टेटमेंट दी है या उन्होंने जो स्टैंड लिया है, ये कोई उनका इंडिविजुअल स्टैंड या स्टेटमेंट नहीं है। ये कांग्रेस की एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी है और ये उनकी एक मोडस ऑपरेंडी है कि इस तरीके से पंजाब को डिस्टर्ब किया जाए, उसका नुकसान केंद्र की सरकार को हो। ये मनसा के साथ वो ये सब कुछ कर रही है।
लेकिन चरणजीत चन्नी ने कहा है कि दिस इज एन इमरजेंसी। ही सेज दिस इज रेस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच।
देखिए, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच पे तब किसी की रिस्ट्रिक्शन है जो देश की बात करते हो, जो देश को तोड़ने की बात करते हो, जो एक अलग देश बनाने की बात करते हो, जो वायलेंस की बात करते हो, जो हमारे संविधान को ना मानने की बात करते हो, उनका साथ देना और उनकी आवाज को दबाना, ये कोई एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ देयर स्पीड नहीं है, ना ही उनको वो कर सकते हैं ऐसा कुछ एक्सप्रेस। और अगर चन्नी जी को लगता है तो कम से कम उनको पार्टी को भी इस तरह से स्टैंड देना चाहिए कि भारत के टुकड़े होने चाहिए, और वैसे तो वो स्टैंड लेते रहे हैं, चाहे वो जम्मू कश्मीर हो, चाहे टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग हो, और उनको अपना साथ दिखाते रहे हैं। लेकिन बड़ी शर्म की बात है कि वो लोकसभा के अंदर भी ऐसा स्टैंड दे रहे हैं।
Okay, all right, Mr. Sirsa, thank you for joining us. Shameful statement by Charanjit Singh Channi. Amandeep, the BJP accusing Channi of not just voicing his own opinion, saying very clearly this is not his personal opinion, this is the stand of the Congress party.
Well, Pratibha, apart from the politics, there is a huge impact regarding this statement. Former Chief Minister Channi was a former Chief Minister of State of Punjab, and when former Chief Minister is giving such statement to those elements who were trying to create the unrest in Punjab, and they are always looking for the political backing, you just estimate, and in fact a clear-cut indication that how much boost is Congress party giving to these elements to flow by their agendas, just because these Khalistani sympathizers are trying to create unrest in the state of Punjab. And not only Amritpal Singh just a poster boy. There are several people, a huge army, a huge team behind this entire agenda, which actually pushes the agenda on the ground of Punjab. And several statements from elected member of parliament, former chief minister on the floor of the house is giving a boost to these Khalistani sympathizers. And in fact, this will be going to give a great impact to those, and even this will definitely spoon feeding to create the unrest in the state of Punjab. This is a huge blunder that has done by the former Chief Minister and Member of Parliament Charanjit Singh Channi. It is not only the political war of words, Pratibha, it is all about the sensitivity and the national security of the state of Punjab. The poster boys is behind the bars, but yes, the Khalistani activities, Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, Sikh for Justice and several other people are still looking for the opportunity to create again agenda in the state of Punjab. And Charanjit Singh Channi, through his statement, is giving an open ground to these people come, and even the invitation also to come to the Punjab and float their agenda openly even after Amritpal Singh.
Absolutely, and Amritpal Singh is not just any other MP. He's somebody who has charges of NSA over half a dozen cases, including murder, kidnapping and attack on police personnel. Stay with us, Amandeep. We have more breaking updates coming in. We have a reaction coming in. The Aam Aadmi Party refusing to slam the Khalistani apologist Charanjit Singh Channi, and the reaction is from Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, who has distanced himself and has refused to comment. Listen in.
चरणजीत चन्नी जी ने की बोलना है पार्लीमेंट से, तो उन्होंने हुआ है जब तक कांग्रेस ਦਾ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅੱਧੀ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਬੋਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਅੱਧੀ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਰ ਬੋਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਸੋ ਇਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਅ ਐਂਡ ਆਰਡਰ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਨਟੇਨ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਐਫਰਟਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਕੱਲਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਖਾਸ ਐਮਪੀ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਮੈਂ 3.5 ਕਰੋੜ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਸਟੋਡੀਅਨ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਜੋ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਮੁਤਾਬਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸੰਵਿਧਾਨ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੜਨ ਦੇ ਹੱਕ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੈ है ना, उसी संविधान मुताबिक कल नूं कोई होर फैसला आऊगा तो असीं नहीं चलेंगे।
So that is the Punjab Chief Minister refusing to condemn Charanjit Singh Channi, and he says law and order comes under me. I'm going to look at whatever is needed for ensuring that law and order is maintained, but he is refusing to mention that Amritpal Singh had unleashed violence in Punjab, and that's the reason why he has been booked. Amandeep, the Chief Minister, wanting to take a very safe stance and refusing to call out either Amritpal Singh or even Charanjit Singh Channi, who has come out in support of the Khalistani sympathizer.
Absolutely, Pratibha. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has played a very safe shot, and in fact, he has clearly indicated that he is not endorsing the statement of Charanjit Singh Channi. And simultaneously, he said that I am concerned about the law and order situation of Punjab. It is not only of one MP, he is the custodian of 3 crore people of the state of Punjab. And in fact, anything that disturbs the law and order situation, that will not be tolerated, and law will take its own course. So it was a clear-cut indication that Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has separated himself from endorsing Charanjit Singh Channi's statement, and in fact he has diverted the question towards the law and order situation. Just because when Amrit Pal was detained under NSA, Bhagwant Mann was the Chief Minister and he was in a well coordination with Ministry of Home Affairs when Amrit Pal Singh has taken to the Dibrugarh jail in Assam from Punjab. It was all coordination between the Punjab intel agencies and central intel agencies and the police, as well as several other agencies also, and Home Ministry has also taken into the loop while taking this action. It was not center government's decision to detain Amrit Pal Singh under NSA. It was the Punjab government who took this decision after taking the intel inputs, and Amritsar Deputy of Commissioner, he has placed Amrit Pal Singh under NSA. So Chief Minister has separated himself, and he has also concerned about the security and law and order situation. But now it is the time for the Congress party to clear the stand that is this statement is only the personal view of Charanjit Singh Channi, or the party is giving the back to Charanjit Singh Channi's statement when he was speaking for Amrit Pal Singh. Just because, Pratibha, Amrit Pal Singh was detained under an NSA. He attacked police station where several policemen remain injured. He captured and hijacked Amritsar Ajnala police station. He was creating his own militia, and he was distributing the flags and the bulletproof jackets along with the weapons of Khalistan. So this was what done by Amrit Pal Singh, who detained under NSA. So brushing all these facts aside, Charanjit Singh Channi says that 20 lakh people have elected that person as a member of parliament. His freedom of speech has been killed. What about those activities that was initially done by Amrit Pal Singh to create the unrest in the state of Punjab?
And the centre is probing his links with Pakistani ISI as well. Amid these grave charges, Charanjit Singh Channi coming out in support of him, the Punjab Chief Minister refusing to condemn him. The BJP says that these parties are playing for vote bank politics. And they say this is not just a personal comment by Charanjit Singh Channi, this is the tukre mindset of the Congress party.
कांग्रेस का हाथ अलगाववादी और आतंकवादियों के साथ हमेशा से रहा है, ये तो हमने देखा है। याकूब मेमन की पैरवी, अफजल गुरु की पैरवी, 26/11 में पाकिस्तान को क्लीन चिट देने की कोशिश। अब कांग्रेस पार्टी के सांसद चरणजीत चन्नी जी, जो पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री रहे हैं, वो पार्लियामेंट में खड़े होकर कहते हैं कि अमृतपाल सिंह पर एनएसए लगाना गलत है, उनके बोलने की आजादी पर हमला है और उनको रिहा किया जाना चाहिए। कांग्रेस पार्टी आज अलगाववादी और खालिस्तानियों के समर्थन में उतर आई है। ये वही कांग्रेस पार्टी है जो संविधान की बड़ी बड़ी बातें करती है। क्या ये संविधान सम्मेत है? क्या ये संविधान की रक्षा कर रहे हैं? जो व्यक्ति भारत के टुकड़े टुकड़े करने की बात करता है, पैरवी करता है, इंदिरा गांधी जी की हत्या को सही बुलाता है, उसके बचाव में और उसके पक्ष में आज बात रखी जा रही है। ये कॉम्पिटिटिव अपीजमेंट पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है। आम आदमी पार्टी भी इसी प्रकार के एलिमेंट्स का समर्थन करती है। दूसरी ओर कांग्रेस पार्टी भी इसी प्रकार के एलिमेंट्स का समर्थन करने लगी है वोट बैंक की राजनीति में। वोट बैंक की राजनीति के लिए क्या क्या नहीं करेंगे लोग। आज राहुल गांधी बताए, क्या ये मोहब्बत की दुकान है और क्या ये संविधान की बात है? आज कांग्रेस पार्टी पूरी तरह से एक्सपोज हो चुकी है। कांग्रेस का हाथ।
All right, Amandeep, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details. This remains a top focus story on Times Now. But for the moment, let's shift our attention